In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a community in Thinkific. We'll start by opening Thinkific and signing into your account. Once you're in, head to the admin dashboard. This is where you'll manage the main parts of your site, including products, courses, and communities. From the dashboard, click Products and then select Communities. This will take you to the area where you can manage any existing communities or create a new one from scratch. To begin, click New Community. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your community. Choose something clear and recognizable, especially if you plan to create more than one community later. Once the name is entered, click Create. After your community has been created, the next step is to configure who can access it. To do that, return to Products and select Communities again. Find your community card, click the three-dot menu, and choose Edit. Inside the community settings, look at the left-hand menu and click Access. Here, Thinkific gives you several access options depending on how private or open you want the community to be. You can set it to only me, logged in students, enrolled students, or students in selected groups. Choose the option that best matches the experience you want to offer. Then click Save to confirm the change. Next, let's create a space inside the community. Open your community, then click the three-dot menu next to the community name. From there, select Create Space. A space helps organize conversations or content within the larger community, so it's useful for separating topics or creating dedicated areas for different groups. Enter the space name, then add an icon, a description, and an image. These details help make the space easier to recognize and more visually engaging for members. If it makes sense for your setup, you can also connect the space to a specific course. When everything looks good, click Create Space. Finally, let's customize the community landing page. Go back to Products, select Communities, click the three-dot menu on your community card, and choose Edit. Then click Build Landing Page. This opens the Thinkific site builder where you can adjust the layout and appearance of the page your members will see. Take a moment to organize the content in a way that feels clear and welcoming. When you're happy with your changes, click Save to apply them. And that's how to create a community, manage access, build a space, and customize the landing page in Thinkific.